If you are struggling to get 1000 subscribers, good news to you, because on this video I'm going to show you how small creators are getting over 1000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. In this method, you are going to learn exactly how you can get subscribers even without posting videos on YouTube. You don't need to post long form videos on YouTube before you can get your 1000 subscribers. I'm going to show you a simple method without posting a video on YouTube, a simple method that you can use to get your 1000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. Whether you are into faceless YouTube or you are into face YouTube channel, you can use this method to get your 1000 subscribers. Now, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, this is Coach Tresh. On this channel, I teach how to create AI videos, most especially Bible prayer videos. And on this particular video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can get your 1000 subscribers if you're a small creator in less than 24 hours. Now, without wasting time, let's go straight into this video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to head over to your browser. Any browser that you are using is fine. Now, you are going to go to YouTube Studio. So you are going to search for YouTube Studio. So youtube.com/dashboard, which is the YouTube Creator Studio. So you are going to click on Continue to Studio. If you are using a phone, don't click on Go to App, just click on Continue to Studio. Now you're going to wait and allow it to load. So you are going to come to this down part and you're going to click on this settings icon. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to channel. So you go to channel and you come to this feature eligibility. This is very important because without this, you are not going to be able to do this particular thing that we are going to be doing. So you click on feature eligibility. If you are a new YouTuber, maybe you just created your channel, these things are not going to be enabled. So you need to come to this place and make sure you enable all these things. Enable the standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. Most especially the advanced features is very important. Now, once we are done, we are going to go back to YouTube. So go to YouTube. Now, once you get to YouTube, you are going to come to your search bar. We're going to go to your search bar and click on viral short. So once you get to your viral short, there are a lot of shorts here. So you are going to look for, note that it's not all shorts or all videos that you can use for this. So you are going to let's select this second one. So now once you select the video or the short that you want to use, you need to click on this plus button. So you click on the plus button, you are going to see Reimagine, use this sound, use this template, collab. So we are not going to be using any of those ones. Now this is a new feature that YouTube just brought out. So what we are going to do is we are going to be clicking on this Reimagine. So the Reimagine button is what we are going to be using because we are going to be recreating this video to something better. So once you click on that Reimagine button, you are going to let it load. So once it is done loading, you are going to see different write-ups that YouTube will bring for you, like add glitters, like they just want you to change it to anything that you want, but there are a lot of write-up there. So what you are going to do is to check the one that you prefer, that is going to be more catchy. So you are going to pick the write-up that YouTube suggested to you. So you're going to pick it. So let's say we pick this particular write-up. So we are going to click in one. Immediately you click it, it's going to paste to the place that you can send. So you can see that it has pasted. The write-up is pasted on this particular place that I can send. So the next thing you will do is to click on this arrow button that is facing to the right. So you click on it and it's going to send. So it's going to start. We are going to wait for the video to recreate. So we are waiting for it to recreate. So you just give it few seconds. As you can see that it's loading. So let's wait for it to recreate the video. Now it has recreated the video. You can see that it's different from the initial video. There are some features that you can click on and it's going to even change the outfits or change the positions of the people. Let me just say, are those glitters? So you can just write anything, any catchy thing that will make people want to watch. So it's going to be like this. So you click on this. Now we are going to upload the video. Now to upload the video, you're also going to write a very catchy title for it, and don't forget this place. So once you come to this place, click on this pencil icon. Once you click on the pencil icon, you are going to look for a very catchy scene. So let's say this is the catching scene that I want to use. So you click on that, you click on the good button. Now the next thing you are going to do is to add a caption to it. Now let's say I also want to add those glitters. You can add any title. Make sure that the title that you are adding is catching. Those glitters. Let me add question mark. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to come to this place and click on hashtag. So for the hashtag, I'll just use 3 hashtags here. I'll just use viral short, viral, then viral short. So just look for those catchy, those high hashtag that you can use that have high view. So viral shorts. So let me just use this tool. Now you're going to come to this place and add description. You can just write anything as description to it. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on, so let me put it on unlisted first. The next thing you are going to do is to click on upload short. So you can see that the short is uploading to our channel. So this particular method is the method you can use to make sense. So you can use this method to get your subscriber less than faster, like, because these videos are already views. You are not going to be using videos that don't have views. You can see that this one had 64 million views. But if you can also search for videos that like this first one that has over 149 million views. Those high videos, like this one has 200 million views. So these videos that has a lot of views, because as far as they were able to get a lot of views from these people, yours is also going to get a lot of views. So this is how immediately you post this type of short, you are going to start getting subscribers immediately. This is not something that I've not experienced. This is something that I do for my new channels, and I've been able to get my 1,000 subscribers in few hours. So if you watch this video to the end, you can drop your question if you have any question, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I post a new video. I'm going to see you in my next one.